Thank you for choosing the Inogen Rove 6 Portable Oxygen Concentrator with key advantages such as lightweight, 6 flow settings, quiet performance, extended battery life, easy-to-read digital display, easy-to-use controls, and an easy-on secure grip cannula barb. Getting started is easy too. All it takes is a few simple steps and no additional tools are required. To start, place the shipping box on a table near an electrical outlet and remove the contents. You should have the Inogen Rove 6 Portable Oxygen Concentrator, a handy carry bag, Inogen battery, AC power supply, DC power cable, user manual with quick start guide. Although it's not included, you'll also need a nasal cannula to operate your Inogen system. Assembly is a snap. First, remove the Inogen Rove 6 from its carrier bag. Then pick up the battery and slide it into place at the bottom of your Inogen Rove 6. You'll hear a click to confirm the battery is securely in place. Next, it's important to ensure both particle filters are in place, like so. Do not operate the Inogen Rove 6 without both filters in place. If you do not see them, contact us for further assistance. Now you're ready to charge the battery. Connect the AC power supply into the back of the Inogen Rove 6, then plug it into an electrical outlet. When your Inogen Rove 6 is plugged in and the battery is attached, you're recharging the battery. An empty battery may take up to 3 hours to charge. You can even leave the Inogen Rove 6 plugged in all night with a battery attached, and when you wake up, you'll have a full charge to start the day. Follow these steps every time you want to recharge your battery. But remember that you don't need to wait for a full charge to use your Inogen Rove 6. You can even charge while you travel by plugging the DC power cable into a vehicle's onboard power outlet. If you'll be gone for the entire day or overnight, you'll want to bring your extra batteries and your AC power supply. Finally, let's connect your nasal cannula. Gently insert it onto the Inogen Rove 6 metal cannula barb until it feels snug. Check for a tight fit, but don't press too hard. With assembly complete, your Inogen Rove 6 is now ready to use. Turn it on by pressing the power button until you hear a beep or see the display screen activate. Now you can set your Inogen Rove 6 to your setting prescribed by your physician. Press the plus button to increase your pulse dose and the minus button to lower it until you reach the desired setting. The last step is to put on your nasal cannula. Position the nasal cannula on your face. Wrap the cannula tubing over the tops of your ears and begin breathing normally through your nose. Oxygen will be smoothly delivered each time you breathe in, and you can adjust the pulse dose settings at any time depending on your comfort or activity level. The pulsing sensation may be a little different than you're used to. On behalf of everyone at Inogen, thank you for joining our family of over 1 million customers worldwide. We hope you enjoy the Inogen Rove 6 and invite you to read the information enclosed with your unit for more helpful tips. And of course, you're welcome to contact us anytime with questions. Here's to the first of many wonderful, memorable days with your new Inogen Rove 6.